Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be sharing 25 AI marketing tips to help you get started. With the help of artificial intelligence, businesses can create personalized marketing campaigns that are more likely to resonate with their target audience. So, let's dive right into the tips. Tip 1. Start with the data. The first step to implementing AI marketing is to start with the data. Collect as much data as possible from different sources and use it to gain insights about your audience. Tip 2. Create buyer personas. Creating buyer personas can help you identify the specific needs and interests of your target audience. AI can then help you personalize your marketing campaigns for each persona. Tip 3. Analyze your competitors. Use AI to analyze your competitors' marketing strategies and identify gaps in the market that you can capitalize on. Tip 4. Monitor social media. AI-powered social media monitoring tools can help you track mentions of your brand, competitors, and industry trends in real time. This can help you stay on top of the latest trends and adapt your marketing strategy accordingly. Tip 5. Use chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support and improve customer engagement. They can help customers find products, answer questions, and even complete purchases. Tip 6. Optimize your website. Use AI to analyze your website and identify areas for improvement, such as page load times, user experience, and conversion rates. Tip 7. Personalize emails. Use AI to personalize email campaigns by tailoring the content to the recipient's interests and behavior. Tip 8. Automate lead scoring. AI-powered lead scoring can help you identify the most promising leads and prioritize your sales efforts accordingly. Tip 9. Use predictive analytics. AI-powered predictive analytics can help you identify patterns and trends in your data, enabling you to make more informed decisions about your marketing strategy. Tip 10. Use voice search optimization. Optimizing your website and content for voice search can help you reach new audiences and improve your search engine rankings. Tip 11. Conduct A/B testing. Use AI-powered A/B testing to test different versions of your marketing campaigns and identify which ones perform best. Tip 12. Personalize content. AI can help you personalize content, such as product descriptions, social media posts, and email campaigns, based on the recipient's interests and behavior. Tip 13. Optimize your landing pages. Use AI to optimize your landing pages for maximum conversions, such as by testing different headlines, images, and calls to action. Tip 14. Use programmatic advertising. Programmatic advertising uses AI to automate the buying and selling of advertising space, making it easier to target the right audience and deliver personalized ads. Tip 15. Use influencer marketing. AI can help you identify influencers who are likely to have the most impact on your target audience, making it easier to develop successful influencer marketing campaigns. Tip 16. Use social listening. AI-powered social listening tools can help you monitor social media conversations about your brand, competitors, and industry, providing valuable insights into customer sentiment. Tip 17. Use natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, can help you understand customer feedback and reviews, enabling you to improve your products and services. Tip 18. Use sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis uses AI to identify the sentiment of customer feedback, helping you to understand how customers feel about your brand and products. Tip 19. Use recommendation engines. AI-powered recommendation engines can help you suggest products and services to customers based on their interests and behavior. Tip 20. Use location-based marketing. AI-powered location-based marketing can help you target customers who are in a specific geographic location, making it easier to reach local audiences. Tip 21. Use customer segmentation. AI-powered customer segmentation can help you divide your target audience into specific groups based on their demographics, interests, and behavior. This can help you personalize your marketing campaigns for each group and improve your overall engagement. Tip 22. Use dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing uses AI to adjust prices in real time based on supply and demand, enabling you to optimize revenue and improve customer satisfaction. Tip 23. Use image and video recognition. AI-powered image and video recognition can help you automatically tag and categorize visual content, making it easier to manage and analyze. Tip 24. Use automated reporting. AI-powered automated reporting can help you generate reports quickly and easily, providing you with valuable insights into your marketing performance. Tip 25. Use machine learning. Machine learning uses AI to automatically improve performance over time by learning from past data and feedback.